Welcome to our channel CredenceInvestments, technology-driven mutual funds research and advisory. In today's video, we are diving into the performance of popular mid-cap mutual funds during the recent 4th June market crash. Mid-cap funds are known for their balance of growth potential and moderate risk. Our graph shows how various mid-cap funds responded to the market downturn on that day. Our table shows actual percentage drop in NAV for various mid-cap funds on that day. Last fund on the table, Nifty Midcap 150 Index Fund, can be referred as a reference to compare how these popular mid-cap mutual funds performed during the market downturn. Additionally, we can see a peer comparison among these popular mid-cap funds to identify which ones were the most resilient. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon. Like, comment and share for more videos on mutual funds research and analysis.